How to add Venmo card to Apple Pay. I am going to show you how you can add a Venmo card to Apple Pay. Venmo does not directly integrate with Apple Pay as a payment method for making purchases. Adding Venmo to Apple Pay directly without a Venmo card is not supported. Venmo does require the use of a physical Venmo card to interact with Apple Pay. Users looking to use Venmo funds via Apple Pay need to first apply for a Venmo card, which can then be added to the Apple Wallet. Adding your Venmo card to Apple Wallet is a straightforward process. Apply for your Venmo card through the Venmo app and receive it in the mail. On your iPhone, open the Apple Wallet app. Tap the plus icon at the top right of the app to add a new card. You can either enter your Venmo card details manually or use your iPhone's camera to capture them automatically. Follow the prompts to verify your card if necessary. Once verified, your Venmo card will be added to your wallet. The steps to add your Venmo card to Apple Wallet are similarly to any other credit or debit card. Navigate to the Apple Wallet and tap the plus sign. Choose debit or credit card and continue to the next screen. Input your Venmo card details manually or scan the card with your device's camera. Verify the card through a verification code sent via SMS or email.